with selling price and what? And cost price. I mean, guys. So now remember, how do we determine the selling price and the cost price? How do we determine the selling price? We say cost price plus what? Plus markup is equals to the selling price. No. Cost price plus what? Plus markup is equals to the selling price. So now look at this. We say cost price plus what? Plus the markup, which is the same as the profit, which is equal to the selling price. And then cost, how do I determine the cost price? I say the selling price minus what? The profit, which will be equal to the selling to cost price. Thank you. How do I determine the profit? I say selling price minus the cost price. How do I determine the percentage profit? I say the selling price minus cost price over cost price times 100 over 1. So now, let us read the question. Let's say, Tabo buys what? A bicycle costing how much? 1,500. Alright, so now I know the what? The selling price. How we can it? So now, the markup is how much? 50% on what? On cost. So now, what should I calculate? I need to calculate what? The profit. Are we here, right? Made by what? By selling one bicycle, right? So now remember now, which is A, right? Question 2A. What do I know? I know that it is given times what we want divided by what you have. So now, what is my formula of what? Of a selling price? I say selling cost price, right? Plus what? Plus markup percentage, which is the same as what? As profit, which will be equal to what? To the selling price. Are we here, guys? So now, please listen to this and listen attentively. Cost price is always at 100%. Can you please see that?
Cost price is always at
100%. Again?
Cost price is always at 100%.
Okay, so now, our cost price is always at 100%. Plus, they said the markup is at how many percent? 50%. Plus the 50%, which is equivalent to how many percent? 150%. Are we here? So now, what am I looking for? I am looking for what? The profit. I said markup is the same as what? As the profit, right? I will say how much did this company sell the bicycle? 1,500 times. What am I looking for? 50%, which is what? The profit, right? Over. How much is the selling price? 150. Which is equal to how much? Which is equal to how much, guys? 500. Oh, which means the profit there is how much? It's 500. Okay. Or, what can I say? Oh, how much is the price? 1,500. Remember now, the business sells the bicycle for how much? For 1,500. What does it mean? It means that is what? The selling price of what? Of the bicycle. Are we here? So now, I'll say 1.5 multiplied by. What am I looking for the cost price, right? Oh, let me say multiplied by what? By 100 over 150. Let me get to another question. How much is the cost price here, corner? How much is the cost price? 1,000. 1,000. Oh, okay. The cost price. How much did the company buy the bicycle for? They bought it for how much? For 1,000. Are we sharing that? So now, therefore, remember, how do I determine a cost price? How do I determine the profit? Sorry, how do I determine the profit? I said selling price minus
cost price.
How much is the selling price there? 1,500. Because why? Ungena shop anginomulo. Bangena shop and eventually bona shop besaba profit on top of the cost price. Are we here? So now let's go up. How much is the selling price? 1,500. I need minus money. 1,000. How much is the selling price? 1.5. I need how much? How much is the cost price? 1,000. How much will be the profit?
500.
Do you understand that? Sure. Alright. So now, B. B, what did they say? But they said calculate what? The cost price of the bicycle. So now, B, I will say, how would I determine the cost price of the bicycle? Yes, so now how much is the selling price? 1,500. How much is the profit? Minus 500. How much is the cost price? 1,000. Simple. Simple, right? Let's continue. Yeah? Think outside of the box. Question 3. Question 3, what did they say? Chaba, tell me, buy what? A laptop, right? Costing how much? 5,000. The cost price of what? Of the laptop is how much? 4,000. Right? So now what should I calculate? The percentage what? Profit, right? Made by what? By the company by selling one laptop. Are we clear? So now, question 3, right? Question 3, 1A. So now, I have all of my formulas that I need on the board, right? So now, as I have all the formulas that I need on the board, it will be easier for me to determine what? The percentage profit you're calling. So now, how do I determine the percentage profit? Remember, I need to say selling price, right? Minus cost price, over the cost price times 100 over 1. So now, how much is the selling price there? How much is the selling price? 5,000. Yes, because why? The company sells it for 5,000. So now I'll say, how much is it? 5,000. Minus 4,000. Minus the 4,000 over, how much is the cost price? 4,000. Do you see that, guys? Multiply by what? By 100 over 1. So now 5,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 5,000 divided by 1,000 is equals to 1,000. Over how much? 4,000. Are we here? So now look at this. Multiply by what? By 100 over 1. So now how many zeros do we have here? 1, 2, 3. We also cancel how many zeros? 3 zeros. So now my answer is what? 1 over 4. Which is the same as what? So now my answer is 1 over 4 times that. Times 100 over 1, which will be equals to 25%. Are we clear, guys? Yes. Are we clear? Yes. Do you see how I determine 1 over 4? Yes. I cancel all the zeros and then I got 1 over 4. Do you see that, guys? Yes. So now, how many percent is it? 25%. Are we clear, guys? Yes. Then, B. What should I determine with B? The what? The amount of what? Of profit, right? So now, I don't know which in, okay. What should I determine there? The amount of what? Of profit. What? The company made by what? By selling how many bicycles? 10 bicycles. So now, therefore, I will say, how do I determine the profit? How do I determine the profit? And now, by the company made by what? By selling 10 what? Laptops. Do you see that again? So now, how do I determine the profit, guys?
Selling price.
So now, how much is the selling price? How much is the selling price? 5,000. How much is the cost price? 4,000. Which is equal to 1,000. So now, how many laptops did this person sell? 10. So now I'll say 1,000, which is the profit, multiplied by the 10 laptops, which is equal to